Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. I hope you saw this video which we had posted almost a year back, if I remember, in September 2023 on this rope. This was a 7mm PVC jump rope from a company called Jump Ropes World. The main reason I had bought this rope was the rope diameter was 7mm, not the commonly available 5mm nor the 10mm heavy jump rope. So this was a different jump rope in my collection. In that video I had said that along with this rope I had bought a few other ropes. So in this video we'll talk about the rope which I had bought along with this 7mm PVC jump rope. That rope is this. This is also from the same company, Jump Ropes World, but it is different from the PVC jump rope. As per the seller, this is a 6mm steel wire rope in a PVC casing or a steel wire rope in a PVC housing. So let us see what this rope is. Like the other rope, what I liked about this rope is this rope also came in a nice, attractive, simple packaging. Inside that box there was this plastic cover inside which we have the rope. In addition to the rope, we also have a carry bag. Let us see each of those items inside. So what we see inside the cover is the rope itself. This is the rope. We'll talk about it in a minute. And then we have this carry bag. Fantastic, nice touch. And we have some cards which were there in the previous box also. In terms of handles which come with this rope, it's very similar to the handles which we have in the 7mm PVC rope. Both are almost the same. Both are in fact the same. Possibly this is maybe a stronger material or more reinforced because it's a steel wire rope. I'm not too sure about it. We will know it when we start jumping. And in terms of price, I paid 469 Indian rupees for this PVC coated steel wire rope, which translates to about $6. And this I had bought for 449 Indian rupees, which translates to about $5. So the price we pay for this seems pretty attractive. The yellow rope, if you had seen that video, the initial impressions was pretty good. I have jumped a few times with that. Overall, it's a great feeling rope. This steel wire rope coated with PVC, I'll be jumping for the first time today in this video. And I'll share my initial impressions about this rope. What I like immediately is that the rope doesn't tangle. There are no tangles or twists in the rope once we take it out of the packing. And if I remember, there were 3 size options also, 8 feet, 9 feet and 10 feet for this rope. And I think I bought a 9 feet rope. I'll add maybe a knot on each side to bring it to my comfortable size. And one more point which I had mentioned in the earlier video is that the seller claims these handles are indestructible. Some good quality PVC material, feels good in the hand. Now what is left? We have to jump. And one more thing is, the price I told you, 469 and 449 was my landed cost. I didn't have to pay anything on shipping because I'm a Amazon Prime member, which I think is a fantastic thing. Paying money for shipping for getting jump ropes is at times very annoying. Now let's go and jump. So now we are ready to test this steel wire PVC coated rope from Jump Ropes World. Starting off with some side swings. Oh, feels good. I can feel the weight. I wish I had a small weighing scale to weigh this rope and tell you what it weighs. In case the seller is seeing this video, they can update in the comments what this rope weighs. Feels good. Now let us start our jumps. Nice. Feels good. It certainly is a weighted rope, heavier than a normal PVC jump rope. I can immediately feel the strain that is associated with a slightly weighted rope on my forearms and my shoulders. Feels good. Nice. Should we go for a double under? I'm slightly scared of steel wire ropes because the speed at which the rope goes, I have a fear that the rope, if it hits the back of my head, it may chop off my head. Anyway, let me take a risk and try some double unders with this steel wire PVC coated rope. Okay, head is good, thank God. Rope feels good. You may not get a great spin on the handle like many ropes, but when you're starting to spin the rope for jumping, it serves the purpose well. Initial impressions seems to be a very well built rope. The rope's weight is also nice. You can feel it when you're spinning and jumping. Overall, I think for the price we are paying, 469 Indian rupees or $6 without any shipping cost in case you're a Amazon Prime member, I think it's a good deal. That was my feedback for the 7mm PVC jump rope, also from the same company. So it actually makes me happy when I see that good quality jump ropes can be made affordable and accessible to all. So that's it, friends. I'm just sharing my initial impressions on a jump rope I had bought and which I think I will like a lot. This is just an initial impressions video. So in case you have any comments, questions, feedback, as usual, please do leave it in the comment section. And till I see you in the next video, enjoy your jumps, stay safe, take care, bye bye.